welcome to the video. We are going to solve count pairs whose sum is equal to x. Okay, so in this question we are given two linked lists of length n1 and n2. Okay, and we have to find pairs by taking one element from each of the linked list whose sum is equal to the value x, target x, which is given along with the input. Okay, so in example 1, these are the linked list head 1 and head 2. Cool. Okay, and head 1 and head 2 will be the head of both the linked list 1 and linked list 2, and the target value x is given, which is 15. So if we take 2 from the linked list 1 and 13 from the linked list 2, we'll reach 15, one pair. If we take 3 from linked list 1 and 12 from linked list 2, we'll get 15, and we will get pair as plus 1, which is 2. Or if we can take 4 from linked list 1 and 11 from linked list 2, we'll get 15, which will again increment our count of pairs by 1, and we'll get 3 as the output. No more pair are possible. Cool. Similarly, for example, you can take head 1 is linked list 1 is 7, 5, 1 and 3, and linked list 2 is 3, 5, 2 and 8. We have to reach the value 10. Okay, so if we take 7 from 1 and 3 from the second linked list, 7 from 1 and 3 from the linked list 2, we'll get the target value as 10. If we take 5 from the linked list 1 and again another 5 from linked list 2, you will get the value 10. Apart from that, there will be no pair possible whose sum will make you reach x, which is the target value. And we'll solve this question using dictionary. So first, I'll create an empty dictionary D, and along with the result. Result will store the number of pairs, count of pairs. Cool. First, I will start traversing in the linked list one. So if you are viewing my videos regularly, few days back there was similar question based on array or linked list. Array, and I did the same approach, and I will apply the same approach, similar approach here also. So in linked list, I will store the value of linked list this one. Okay, I will store the value of linked list. Okay, and the key will be the value of that particular linked list node, value of that particular linked list node. Okay, and value will be what? Value of this linked list will be its occurrence. Cool. Similarly, I will keep on decrementing n because we have to reach further. Head 1 will be head 1 dot next, move further, decrease n1 by 1, and move ahead with the linked list, so that way you can store each elements as a key, each element in the linked list one as a key. Cool. Similarly, for n2, while n2 for linked list 2, the first condition which you need to check is if x minus head2 dot data, if x minus head2 dot data in dictionary, which means if if difference between x with the target value and head to this current value of current node of linked list 2, their difference is already present in dictionary, which means their difference will be equal to the any value in the linked list 1 in dictionary. Okay, of linked list 1 in dictionary, which is already present, which will give us sum equal to x. Fine. Let's say this x minus head 2 dot data comes 5. Okay, x is 10 and head 2 dot data is 5. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, and we will check if 5 is already present in dictionary or not. So as we saw in example 2, 5 was there in the dictionary, sorry, linked list 1, and which will give us true, which should be just is present already. This key is present 5 as a key, and it will increment the result value, count of pairs. And whether or not pair is found, will similarly decrement n2 by 1 and move ahead with the head 2. Dn will come out of the loop and return the count of pairs, which is the result value, res. Let me submit it and check the accuracy and efficacy of our solution. So as you can see, it is able to do the job. Okay, it is taking time limit. Okay, let me because I mean it did the job earlier. Let me do this. We'll pause the video for once. So as you can see, I added this values, increase the recursion limit, and it is able to do the job. I will submit it again just for your leaf. Yeah, see, it took very less time this time. Took very less time, and it is able to do the job, pass all test cases effortlessly. So I hope you learned a new concept today and enjoyed the video. Thank you. Have a very nice day.